Aloo Gobi or cauliflower potato stew or cauliflower potato roast or cauliflower potatoes curry party style. Today we are going to make Aloo Gobi or cauliflower potato stew or cauliflower potato roast party style. The ingredients are onion, ginger, bay leaf, fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks, clove, star anise, black pepper, red chili, tomato, garlic, 2 to 3 medium potatoes sliced and diced, cauliflower 150 to 200 grams cut into medium pieces. Take the kadai and heat and put in the red chilies, bay leaves, fennel seeds and spices, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, star anise, salt, pour in 10 ml of oil, salt in the oil, put in the big onions, ginger and garlic, and salt for 2 to 3 minutes. Until the onions turn golden brown. Add the tomatoes and salt. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the sorted chili, tomato, ginger, spices and onion into a plate and let it cool. Transfer the sorted tomato, onions, red chili, spices, that is cinnamon, clove, star anise, the fennel seeds, into a grinder so that it can be ground properly, and this paste can be used as the paste for the base of the stew or curry or roast. The sorted material has been ground into a fine paste. This can be used as the base of the roast or stew or Aloo Gobi. Pour in 10 ml of oil. Hot kadai. After the oil has heated, put in the gobi or cauliflower and salt. Take this off and put the cauliflower or gobi back into the plate. After sauteing for 1 minute, put in the potatoes. Saute for 2 minutes and take off the plate. Take out the kadai into a plate like we did with the cauliflower. Heat the kadai and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the cumin seeds. Then put in the ground chili, onion and other sauces that we prepared earlier with the spices and salt. Salt for 5 to 6 minutes or until the oil separates from the sorted mixture. Put in 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, put in 2 spoons of coriander powder, mix the turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt and salt so that to make the whole mixture becomes a thick paste and the oil is separated from the mixture. Now the mixture has become a thick paste and the oil has come out of the mixture. Once this happens, we can put in the aloo and the gobi. Put in the potato and cauliflower into this mixture. And mix thoroughly so that the potato and cauliflower completely mixes with the mixture. Pour in 3 cups of water and let the mixture cook for mix. Now let the mixture cook for 20 to 30 minutes. In high flame. Now put in the kasuri methi. This is the final aloo gobi or cauliflower potato stew or cauliflower potato roast or cauliflower potato curry party style. If you like the video, kindly like, comment, subscribe, share and press the notification button.